Alright, so I'm reviewing Rough Country DOT approved SAE fog lights. This is them on, off, on, with headlights, without headlights. Those are about 50 feet away. And that's how good they work. This is them on, headlights on as well, on a darker road. With no headlights, just the fogs. This is also the Rough Country SAE fog lights, the DOT approved. That's the cutoff line. My left side's a little bit higher than the right side. I need to bring it down just a little bit, but you can see that's like 2 squares, square and a half on a garage door. That garage door is about 12 to 15 feet away. Off, on. They're not bad. They have a good clean cutoff line. They're pretty bright while driving, and you can pretty much drive. You'll outrun the headlights just a little bit, but you can pretty much drive with just the fog lights. They're better than the headlights.